Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth gravy. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need a good quality beef broth, some fat, and all-purpose flour. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll use 2 tablespoons of fat and 2 tablespoons of flour to create our roux, which is the base for a perfect gravy. Now, let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat, like butter or drippings, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth paste and achieves a beautiful golden brown color. This step is crucial for thickening and adding depth of flavor. With our golden roux ready, it's time to introduce the beef broth. Slowly and gradually whisk in 2 cups of beef broth into the roux. Pouring it in a steady stream while continuously whisking will help prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and all the broth is fully incorporated. This careful addition ensures a silky smooth gravy texture. Finally, let's bring our gravy to perfection. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. Gravy will thicken more as it cools. Taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve warm and enjoy your delicious homemade beef broth gravy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.